matter what words you say. To me, the you who could not protect Rin is an imposter. To me, Rin is someone not meant to die. Look at me! There's nothing in my heart. I don't feel pain any longer. There's no need to feel guilty, Kakashi. This hole was opened up by this world of hell.
No, I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Obito.
It's okay. Just go. And I never got to tell Rin that I love her.
I only had pain inside here before.
The longer you live, the more you will realize that the only things that truly exist in this reality are merely pain, suffering, and futility. Listen. Everywhere you look in this world, wherever there is light, there will always be shadows to be found as well. A world of only victors, a world of only peace, a world of only love. I will create such a world.
Rin. Once again. Let's create a world where you can exist again.
Edited by Rishven.